Another transformation. Infinite Spirit, open the way for my awesome health, my awesome wealth, my awesome love, and my ability to speak my truth. This is very key in life, in living. Affirming that we have great health and wealth, but speaking your truth. When you don't speak your truth, you actually start to stifle your growth. You stifle your longevity. You stifle your life force. When you don't speak your truth, you're bottling yourself up right here. I know, ladies, when you find yourself about to cry, you're all shut, you can't talk. That's because you're not letting it out. You're not speaking your truth. I know I have some exercises where I actually have people yelling and getting out all of the stuck energy that's stuck right here, you know? Like if you have, well, cancel. I'm not even going to go there with that one. But anyway, it's very important to speak your truth, because if you don't, you will start to manifest things in your body that are directly related to this area of your body, because it's storing old crap that you haven't released. I'm not going to go any further into that. You can get more when you come into our community. These are just little tidbits for you guys, and I hope you're enjoying them. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.